Organizing effective group study sessions. Master the art of scheduling and planning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get valuable English learning content every week. Today, we're diving into a very important aspect of group study: scheduling and planning. Whether you're preparing for an exam, or just looking to improve your English skills as a team, effective planning is crucial. So, let's get started. The first question to ask is, why is scheduling so important? Well, you wouldn't start a journey without knowing your destination, would you? Similarly, a planned study session ensures that everyone is on the same page, focuses on specific goals, and maximizes productivity. The first step in scheduling is to decide on a date and time that works for everyone. This might sound simple, but coordinating schedules can be challenging. Use tools like group chats or shared calendars to propose times and make sure everyone agrees. The key is to find a time where everyone can attend and concentrate fully. Next, you'll need to choose a venue that is conducive to learning. Some common options include libraries, quiet cafes, or even a spacious living room. The space should be comfortable but not too cozy. Remember, you're there to study, not nap. Once the date, time, and venue are settled, it's time to assign roles. Consider appointing a moderator to keep the session on track, a timekeeper to manage study and break times, and a scribe to take notes. This ensures that everyone is engaged and accountable. Creating an agenda for the session can be a game changer. It's crucial to outline what topics will be covered, and in what sequence. This is where your goals come into play. If everyone is working on the same English test, for instance, you might allocate time to reading comprehension, vocabulary, and speaking exercises. While it's important to stick to the schedule, always remember to be flexible. Some topics may require more time, while others might take less. The key is to stay adaptable while remaining focused on the overall objectives. Don't forget to wrap up your session by evaluating its effectiveness. Discuss what worked well and what could be improved for next time. This reflection will help you plan even more effective sessions in the future. Alright, folks. That's it for today's video on organizing effective group study sessions through smart scheduling and planning. I hope these tips help you and your study group become more effective and efficient in mastering English. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy learning!